Alright, these are the elevators at the Aerospace building in Lanham, Maryland. We got some Westinghouses. I don't believe they're Selectomatic. This one was on peak up. The cabinet in that one was open, this one's not. So I'm going to turn the fan off. But anyway. Slap-on panel, and they're on the original controller. Possibly the original motors too, but I'm not sure. £2,500. Ooh, apologies for that. Yeah, it sucks to have a slap-on, but the controller's original, possibly the motors. There's the T-interlock, £2,500. Aerospace building. This is new, post 2007. There's the phone, also new. This is a good indicator as to how they're on the same controller. Peek up. See if the basement's open. Yeah, it is. Ooh. That was a hard stop. Stop at the lobby. Probably it's a glitch on the controller. Yep, controller glitch. I want to say yes, these are on the original motors. That's a beautiful motor on this thing. We'll be quiet when we're near the top so you can hear it. So obviously this is, oh, yep, stopping in the lobby again. Controller glitch. Cabinet open on this one? Nope. So obviously this is the service car because it has padding and it goes down to the basement. Has the same cab on this side. 2,500 pound capacity, still the same as the other two. Doors ticking. Sounds like there's like a ticking relay up there. Maybe that's what that is. Listen. Car 3. Is that not a beautiful motor? Now, call me crazy, but I don't remember which elevator I did before this one. I know for a fact the one that I did not do, the fan is not on in it. Okay, was it this one? Yep. These are ridiculously fun. £2,500. This is elevator 2. There's the front one. The door sensor beeps as the door opens. It's weird. There's the cabinet. Fan is off. All right. Really neat set of elevators. It sucks they have slap-ons, but can't have everything. There it goes. Hope you enjoyed.